Hey, so what is Helium 10 Freedom Ticket? Now, Helium 10 Freedom Ticket is a course that shows you how to start selling on Amazon, how to build a profitable business there, private label business. In the description of this video, I'm going to have the landing page of Freedom Ticket so you can read more about it, as well as discounts and free trial of Helium 10, the software that allows you to have Freedom Ticket course for free if you invest in it. So basically, if you use the cheapest plan of Helium 10 called Starter, currently you can get the course for free. Instead of paying about $1,000 for Freedom Ticket, which again is a course for Amazon sellers, shows you how to start selling, how to actually build a business there. Usually it's $997. You can get it for $39 a month with this starter plan. So I do recommend you this, at least because this is the minimum payment and this is pretty nice for such a good course. This course is going to teach you the basics of what is it, Amazon FBA, how to find a product there, how to find the keywords for a product, how to optimize your listing, how to get traffic to your product, how to make money on Amazon, pretty much. And from A to Z, it's about 30 hours with Kevin King. It's going to be your mentor for this course. Check out the landing page in the description for the course again to see like the best offer currently available for Freedom Ticket and also to see what's included exactly. If you want to watch my review of Freedom Ticket, then I kind of welcome you to watch my review here. It's from a few years ago, but the course haven't changed. Actually, they have added things to the course. So it's still like Amazon selling course. It also helps you on Walmart these days as well. And Helium 10 tutorials are going to be in this playlist here. Helium 10 is the software that is used together with Freedom Ticket course. Good luck to you.